know what's going on in here, but it seems to me all my plants are dying. That guy had great drainage before. I don't know what's happening. And then my poor fig, look at him. He lost all of his leaves. What's going on, little guy? Is it too cold for you? You have a hardiness of up to 0 degrees, and it does not get that cold here. It's okay, little guy. It's gonna be okay. Oh no, my blackberries are also dying. I don't get it. Was it the wind? Do you not like the wind? The tomato plant, I get it. I failed on you. We'll try again next year.